This is the 3-2D lesson, table of values for linear relationships. We're going to complete the table of values for the given equations. Number 1, so the equation up at the top that we're completing is y equals negative x plus 6. And they've picked x values that we're going to plug into this equation. So they're going to get all plugged in, all of these x values in place of x. So to the side, I'm going to show some work, and I'm going to start with negative 6. So we have y equals negative, that's this negative, plus 6. And I'm plugging in negative 6 for x. So that means y equals, I'm going to do my sign change, that's 6 plus 6, and y equals 12. So my first answer is 12. And we'll go now to the next one. We're going to plug in negative 3. So we have y equals, there's the built-in negative sign. Notice how I'm just leaving some room to do the plug-in maybe after the fact. So this is where x was, and I'm going to plug in negative 3. This is 3 plus 6 with my sign change. The double negatives cancel, which is 9. Negative 3, comma, 9. Next, I'm going to plug in 0. Well, there isn't a negative 0, so I'm just going to have 0 plus 6, which is 6. In the last one, we're plugging in 4. So set up the equation and then plug in 4. This is negative 4 plus 6. That means we're going to find the difference between these, which is 2. And the more dominant one is going to determine the sign for my final answer. So it's positive 2. So we have 4, comma 2 for the last ordered pair. So to recap, we took these values. We plugged them in for x. There was also an extra negative sign that came, and they just gave us some random values to plug in into that equation.